Come closer. Did you know that I once spent an entire night remaking slides from a PDF? Yes, but later I found out an AI tool that did the whole job in minutes, and I will share it with you in seconds. If you ever had to convert a PDF into PowerPoint, you will know the pain. I used to copy text line by line until I discovered this free AI tool. Now I get my slides ready in a few fraction of time. And today I will show you how you can do that too. Hi, I am Pat, and on this channel we discuss educational technology and digital productivity tools. If you would like to learn more about teaching and learning, research, AI and digital productivity tools, please hit the subscribe button and join our community so you never miss any new video. If you are ready, let's get started. Turning onto my computer, the very first thing I will do is to open Chrome and enter Alayna AI. With this Alayna AI, I'll click on the first option. Here is the Alayna AI website. This Alayna AI has helped so many teachers to save up to 20 hours every week. So you can see that there are so many other tools owned by Alayna. But before that, let us look at how Alayna AI can help. You can see from here, it helps teachers to create lesson slides, grading and feedback, project-based learning, curriculum development, and general assistance. In fact, you can also use it to create teaching resources. I hope you understand. And with Alayna AI, you can see that so many other people are using it, and here are their testimonials. Now, how do we begin? All we need to do is to click on this Get Started button, and it will bring us to this platform. From here, you can sign up because it is 100% free. But we are not going to sign up. We are going to install Google Slide Generator. This is a Google Chrome extension. We are going to click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this place where we now click on Install. With this, we also click on Continue button. If you are conversant with installing Google Chrome extension, this may not be a problem for you. Because this works with Google Slides, we are going to give it access to our Gmail account. So I will select a Gmail account and click on Continue button. From here, I will also allow it to access these following Google Workspace tools by clicking on Allow button. Then click on Done. What next, you may ask? Stick around and you will see the magic in few seconds. The next thing I will do is to click on New tab. From this new tab, I will click on Google Apps and select Google Slides. Here is Google Slides. Once Google Slides finish loading, I am going to choose Blank Presentation. With this blank presentation, what we need to do now is to come to the menu bar here and choose Extensions. When you click on Extensions, you are going to see the Alayna AI for Google Slides, the Chrome extension that we just installed. Then from there, I'll click on Create a new presentation with AI. From here, we just wait for it to load. Because we are using it for the first time, it's going to ask you a few questions. What is your primary role? You choose. So I can say that I'm a teacher, content creator, school administrator, corporate trainer. It depends on you. Okay, then what grade level or grade group do you teach? Because you selected teacher. Okay, maybe I will say college or university. It will also ask you what is your institution name. You can provide any institution name where you work. I'm going to use Patek Academy. Then it will also ask you to select your country. So you can select United States, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Australia, depending where you are. I am in Nigeria currently. Here, it will also ask you what type of content do you primarily create presentation for. I'm going to select educational lessons. Okay, it can also be academic research. So we also have some other few questions here. If you would like AI to generate for you, I'll choose yes. Then how frequently do you create presentation? For this tutorial, I am going to choose monthly. Then it asks, where did you hear about us? I am going to say YouTube video. Okay, it can also be Facebook, college recommendation, email, educational webinar, and so on. Once you are done with that, you agree to the terms and then click on submit button. Now you remember we selected yes when it asked us if we would like AI to help us. So here I am going to provide a topic for it. I said AI for teachers. Now I am going to write some prompt or a kind of description based on this topic. So I've just provided brief description as a prompt. Now the next thing I will do is to choose number of slides. I can leave it as author or just say 7, 10, 20. But if it is more than 15, it means you are going to pay for that. So let me just choose 7. Then it will also ask you to state the target grade level. So I can say kindergarten, level 5, college, university, adult education, and all of that. After that, there are other options here that you will need to set, but that will be for advanced. And I'm going to show you what they are in a minute, but let's just see this one for now. So I will hit on create presentation. Then Alayna AI will present us with these themes. You can see different themes here. From here, we'll choose any one of our choice. Assuming you can change it, this is all. You can change it to basic, cartoon, creative, elegant, geometric, nature, playful, professional, any one of your choice. Okay, for now, let me just choose here. Then click on create presentation and wait for it to finish the creation. You can see the process from here. As you can see now, our presentation is ready. You have it here. AI generated the text, the image, the graphics, and all of that. We have 7 slides in all. So you can click here to get started. That is, if you want to start to edit it, you click here to start the editing. Assuming you want to insert a new slide, rewrite slide text, change slide layout, find better image, or even remix slide theme. Anything you want, you get them from this place. Okay, so and if you double click, it will load it in the manner you already know. Maybe you have been using PowerPoint or Google Slide. So here is our slide from Alayna AI. Okay, in case you have anyone that is not well organized or arranged, you just click on it, then edit it the way you want. You can see me doing that because of this overwrapped text. And when you are done, you just go to file and click on download. Then you download it as PDF or as JPEG, PNG, or even PowerPoint, any one you want. You can see Microsoft PowerPoint from here. For me, I am going to download it as PDF. So you can see the downloading here. And anytime you want, you will be able to open your file. I am going to open this file using Google Chrome so that we'll see everything right in here. So this is our presentation generated for us by Alayna AI using Google Slides. How cool is that? Please subscribe if you are getting value from this video. Remember to like so that YouTube will recommend this video to so many others. Now, there is one advanced feature I said I am going to show you. Let me show you that now. So if we go back to Google Slides from here, head back to the same blank presentation and still click on extensions. So using Alayna AI and click on create new presentation with Alayna, what will happen this time is that instead of asking Alayna to create our presentation, we are going to generate presentation using an existing file. So instead of entering our topic here, describing it by a way of prompts for Alayna AI to generate the presentation for us, we are going to make use of already existing file. So I will click here where we have add an attachment. You can select this file from your device, from Google Drive, web or YouTube URL, or previously used documents. For me, I am going to select it from my device. Then locate the file. Let us use this. Wait for it to upload. After the upload, you can click on this view advanced option so that you choose other advanced option. Okay, you can say output length, let me choose short instead of medium or long. You can also include AI generated image, or you turn it off depending on your choice. For this one, I'm going to enable speaker notes. You will see it at the end. After that, I'll then click on create. Then decide whether the speaker notes, the font will be small, medium or large. So let me choose small font and click on presentation when done with this setting. Okay, it still requires that we enter the topic. So I'll say online learning. Then description, online learning in the pandemic year. Then go down again and click on create presentation. From here, choose your presentation design. Let me use this and click create presentation button. Here you are going to allow it to generate the attachments. Remember, it is getting this from uploaded PDF file. Boom, we have our presentation here. So this is how it looks. You can double click so that it will align in the usual way you know. So this is it. You can go on to edit it so that everything will be well spread out. I hope this video was helpful. Let's have your thoughts in the comment section below. Also remember to subscribe so that you will support me. Like and share the video with your loved ones. We also make a video on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint for a complete beginner. The link to that video is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.